Oh, he's running. Hey, pull the anchor. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are out here today on the lake bay again, but this time we got someone that's been following us since the beginning. We got Robert.
What's up, guys?
Oh, you guys can see him there.
Oh,
there we go.
what's up, guys?
Sunlight. So, well, here we're gonna be going for some pompano. They should be moving in. We got Tan with us today, working the drone. Right there.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
So, we're gonna see if we can try to limit out before the sun is down. This is what time is it right now? It is 7:40. We got like at least an hour of daylight maybe. So we just got out here and see if we can get them. Oh yeah, baby.
I got one.
Is it a pompano? It is. I got one.
Yes.
Damn. Close that. I didn't want the dolphin again. There was a fucking dolphin here last time. Yeah, that's a nice one. Here. Keeper. Oh yeah, that's what we came for, guys. Snagged him though. Any luck over here, Robert?
No, no luck yet.
Nice catch, bro.
They're over there.
Nice catch, bro. That's what we came here for, guys.
Target species.
Finally, we finally got it on camera, guys. So, you gotta be 11 inches to keep, and he's definitely over. We'll measure here though, just to see what I faded measuring tape. I had one in the truck and forgot it, but 11 inches is right there. 11 to the fork. Oh, he's 13. Oh yeah. All right, guys, this is what we're using. All you need is a light setup. It could be anything around like a 2500 or 3000 size reel. 20, using 20-pound fluorocarbon. You can use, 25, 30 if you want. Our go-to jigs are gonna be, we call them crazy jigs, banana jigs. You see these everywhere. One hook. It's a different brand. Calcutta has them. I like to run mine with a teaser, and sometimes you can buy them with the teaser where they have a split ring there. I'm not a fan of the split ring because they always pull out. They straighten out, so you lose the fish most of the time. So I just tie into a loop knot, and that's all it is. And what we're doing is we're just casting it out, and when it bounces in the bottom, the teaser flops around, looks like a shrimp. It's pretty cool. But for some reason they like the pink. Pink's the go-to color. So just give it a try, and you guys should. Right now they're running through. They're smaller now. Winter time they're bigger, but just give it a try and catch pretty much everything on these jigs. Dang! All right, my first cast after that, I just showed you guys the jig. I hooked up to a tarpon. Remind you, 20-pound leader. That thing was like what, 6 foot long?
Yeah.
He jumped and broke me off. I lost my favorite jig. Dang, wish we had that on camera. I did not expect a tarpon. First, there you go. Oh, pompano, baby. I think it's a pompano. He's swimming this way. What do you see? What is it? I think it's a pompano. I think it's a pompano. It is a pompano. Oh yeah. I think it's a keeper too. It don't have to be pink. Well, I got a pink teaser. Another one, baby. Come on. Tan's on. What you got? Oh, hit. Tan got pompano? Oh. Hey. Yo, I got a little lane snapper. These jig catches everything. Ooh, Tan got a keeper. Yeah, buddy.
There we go, baby.
Hold on. Hold on, Tan. Hold on. Oh! Quick release. They got soft lips, rubber lips. Yeah, they're right here behind us.
Oh, it came off.
I told you, quick release.
It has to be what, 11 to the fork?
11 to the fork. He looks like 11 and a half, like the last one I shot. Oh, I just missed one. Oh, come on. Next to the boat. Oh, ladyfish. Come on, Robert, where you at? Where you at? Right here? He's 11. He's 12. There we go. Robert's out. Oh, that's the world record. Right here, Tan.
There you go, baby.
Pompano. World record.
Bro.
Oh my
God. Dude, they
What
love
happened,
you today, man. Huh? Don't forget to smash that like button. And subscribe to the channel, guys. Keep helping us out. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys.
Right here. Last time we come right here. I'm gonna go back there and see. Oh!
There you go.
Right next to the boat, a little one.
Yeah, Robert.
Come on, Robert, where you at?
Yeah, Robert. You fishing with the Yasui guys. Come on.
Where's that D hooker I had? I love this thing. It works great. I'll let you fish that. I'm gonna get this back corner right here. I'm gonna fish right here behind this marker. Tan's on. Tan, you got one? Oh, I think that's a pompano. Look how it's running. They run towards you and it's heavy.
Bro.
What you got? What you got? Oh shit.
Pompano.
Pompano. Oh.
Yeah.
Better hurry up. The dolphin comes here. Eat them.
Yeah, you're right. Right there.
Here we go. We got the master baiter over here.
You guys need bait? Hit me up. I got you guys.
Right, Bella. Oh, that might be it. That might be it.
Come on. No. No.
Oh, watch out. No, he's kitty master. Kitty master.
Oh my God.
He's cleaning the litter box. Look right thing up the ramp over there. Get some big. No. Gag season season. We can go drift past with some gags real quick. We get them there. Oh, that's a nice one. He hit me good. But I think it's a grunt. Oh, what is that? No, it's a trout. Speckled. Another species. Speckled sea trout. See your spots? Before we head in. Tan's on? Pompano? Well, how's it feel? No. Just keep reeling, just keep reeling. That's a pompano. It's a pompano. The way he's pulling. Oh, big one! Oh, get him, boy. Leg pick up. Keep the rod there. That's right. Pull up. Oh! Then the back, Robert. Watch the motor, Tan. All right, go. No, get his head up out of the water first. That's too much. Okay, go, go, go. Too much. You really don't fall too much. Yeah, let some line out. Yo, that's a big one. Yo, I was just talking crap how they're usually small right now. Tan's been killing them. Behind the marker or what? Or at the marker?
Right there.
That's where we've been catching them too last time. Yo, that's a big grunt. You can eat that one. He has the pink one I was using earlier. There's fish back there. Unless you want to switch rods. Maybe that might be it. The rod you're using was my pompano rod. That's my original pompano rod. Yeah. Nice one there. Biggest one in the bowl, I think. Good size. There we go. Is that one?
No, that's a grunt.
No way. Oh, that was a trout.
Oh, the lady.
Oh, nice.
Hey, I'm not coming back home empty-handed.
Oh, yes you are. Oh man, we jinxed some stuff again. There we go. That's a pompano. You got one too? I think you got pompano. You finally got one. Flip it up. Oh, watch out. There we go.
Yeah.
You finally got one. There we got the skunk off. The dolphin. Trying to eat his ladyfish. I mean, his pompano.
They know if they came by, that was all. You think this is the keeper?
Yeah, he's for sure. At least 12 he is.
Finally. Dude, I'm so happy now. He actually on film again.
Oh, tarpon! 2 of them!
No!
Oh, they're still there. They're coming. Look, they're coming. Yo, another right there. Now I'm gonna throw my bait in there. I'm trying to get him fast as I can. Dude, they were right there. Oh, I got dumped. Oh yeah! Yeah, he's on, baby! Oh, he's running. Hey, pull. Oh, yeah! Yo, we gotta pull the anchor. Reel my rod. Oh, he's been there. Oh, I didn't bow to the king. Yo, I told you they're right there. Damn! As soon as it hit water, I felt it. Boom! No, but you guys can catch more. Let me re-rig this. Dude.
What happened? Why it popped off?
Because I didn't bow to the king. You're supposed to bow to the king when it jumps. Yeah, I'm putting heavy leader on, bigger hook.
Make sure the camera was on.
Yeah.
That was big.
I've been recording the whole time, man. Oh, yeah. That was awesome. We seen him coming. Threw that pinfish out. As soon as it hit the water, I felt it. Boom. I'm like, oh, he's home. Oh, paddle tail would have got destroyed for sure. Play hawk too. Yo, catch no pinfish and throw in the live one. Real fast, real fast. Yeah. Oh, Pompano. He's chasing it. The dolphin's chasing it. Oh, look at that. Oh, you got robbed. Pull up. You just got robbed. Look, the dolphin, he got you. Oh, he got you, dude. Yeah, just hold the thing. Dolphin got you. Oh, they're aggressive here. They love them. Take out that dolphin. Break the line. All right, guys, that's it for today. It's getting dark. We gotta make the run back in, so we can still see. And I mean, it's kind of epic day. We got a few keepers there. As you guys can see, we had a couple bonuses. And you know, if you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe to your channel. And, you know, share us to your friends and family.